Hello children, today I am going to explain you on a topic formal charge. Formal charge on an atom is the difference between the number of valence electrons in an isolated atom and number of electrons assigned to that atom in a Lewis structure. So formal charge on an atom, but it is in molecule that it may appear to have. So in isolated atom, means valence electron we will count as if it is totally separate atom when it is not combined with any other atom. So from the configuration, like if it is oxygen, so isolated atom it is 2,6, so its valence electrons are 6. Now so formula for this is formal charge on any atom, that is equal to valence electron of that atom minus half the number of shared electrons. So this S represents shared electrons, how many are there, and lone pair of electrons in that. So number of electrons we'll take, we won't count the pair in this, and we represent the valence electrons in atom, and Fc represent the formal charge on atom. So now we'll take example, like if it is H2O. Now first step is we will draw its Lewis structure. So the formula that we had discussed, that we will first find the total number of valence electrons in that, it is 2 and 6, that is 8. Then total electrons for hydrogen 2 are required, so 4 and 8, that is 12. Then shared electrons is 12 minus 8, that is 4, and lone pair of electron is 8 minus 4, that is 4 electrons. So on the basis of this information, first we will draw its structure. So oxygen and hydrogen, we are not at present considering its shape. So shared pair of electrons are 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hydrogen has completed its duplet, 2 electrons it requires. Now for oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these 4 are the lone pair here. Now we will count the formal charge of each atom. Now in molecule, the total charge here H2O, it is 0. So first formal charge of, we take it as hydrogen 1 and hydrogen 2. So first hydrogen. Now valence electron in hydrogen is 1. Shared electrons, it is 2 for this hydrogen into 2, and lone pair is 0 in this. So half of this cancel out, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this hydrogen has 0 charge. Similarly, for formal charge on second hydrogen atom, we say valence electron 1, again shared electrons are 2, so half into 2 minus 0, that is equal to 0. Now we consider the charge on oxygen. Here oxygen has valence electron 6, shared electron 2 on this side and 2 on this side, so 2 to 4, and 4 are here. So this is 6 minus this minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, so 0. So all over charge also 0, and on each atom also there is 0 charge. Now another example we will take, like CO3 2 negative. Now in this, first total valence electron 4, 6 in this, so 18, 4 plus 18 plus, since there is negative charge, so write here plus 2, so it is 24. Then total electrons each require 8, so 8 into 4, 32. Shared electrons will be 32 minus 24, that is 8, and lone pair of electrons 24 minus 8, it is 16. Now when we draw its structure, oxygen 8 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and anywhere we can put the extra that. So here this. Now carbon has acquired this 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now for oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Similarly for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for this, 4 are there, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now assign this oxygen number 1, 2, 3. So first, formal charge on oxygen 1. Now for oxygen 1, valence electrons 6, shared electrons are 2, that is half into 2, and lone pair of electrons are 6. So here 2, that is 6 minus 7. So this oxygen atom has charge -1. Similarly for second oxygen we can count. This also 6 electrons, valence electrons half, shared electrons are 2, and 6 are its lone pair of electrons. So here also -1. Then for this oxygen, here 6 valence electron, shared electrons are 4, so half into 4 minus 4 are in this. So 2 to 4, -2 minus 4, 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So this oxygen has 0 charge. Now for formal charge on carbon, this carbon has valence electrons 4 and shared electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and minus lone electrons are 0. So 2, 4 the 8, 4 minus 4, 0. So net charge here -1, here 0, 0. So net charge on this molecule is -2. So I hope the steps will be clear to you. So try out the molecules on each the formal charge. This on CO3, and in each oxygen atom you will find, and NH4 positive and NO3 negative. Find the formal charge of these molecules, each atom in this. Thank you.